Hello everyone, welcome back to class. So today is day 12 of our Excel work hour. So in today's class we're going to be learning how to use another lookup function. Now these are data sets. We have a data set in this format. Let me show you. You can see this a row header, another row header, another row header. Now the normal way we do have our data is in form of what? Column wise, right? But in this case, we're having it what as row wise. Now, how do we go about it? Before we dive into class, once again, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. So my name is Kawiyyi. I'm a data analyst and also a data analyst instructor. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, let's get started. Now, if I want to do something like this, my data is in form of horizontal, not in vertical form, and that is where our HLOOKUP comes in. Now the column we're doing VLOOKUP then. I told you that what we have VLOOKUP, we have HLOOKUP, and we also have some other what lookup functions. Exactly. Now this we are going to be practicalizing what HLOOKUP in this aspect. How do you go about it? I've told you the first thing we need to do is what before we start, let us what name our table. Exactly. So let me just Control Shift down, Control Shift right. Can you see it? Let me just name it what my table. Okay, yes, my table. Now, what do you want? You want to start with our year. How do you go? Just come and see. Equals no, sorry, equals to h lookup. Then what is? I'm going to click on this as my lookup value. Then what's my table? So what's my table? That is what we name it. Then now year falls under what? Which row? The second row. This is the first row. This is the second. So I just say two. Then what? I use first because we want exact match. Yes or yes. Then we click on enter like this. See, we've gotten the information we need. And I can just come here and copy it like this. Let me just copy the code, Ctrl A, Ctrl C. Then I come to my escape, come to my products, click on Ctrl V here. Now, we know that what my product number is what is in the third column, third row, right? So I'll just come here, remove this two and change to three, enter like this. Then yes, that's how to go about it. Hope you've learned something new today. So we are going to be meeting in class tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Please do make sure you like, share, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching. Meet in our class tomorrow. Bye.